Hello, my name is Josef Schmidbauer and I'm responsible in the product management for COMPANO 100. This video is about the latest software update and the CIB1, the cable injection switchbox, which is used, for example, for cable impedance measurements. So, if you open the new application modules, you can go to the cable impedance test module, and here you have the output setup, where you can specify which system you want to test and the test current. So the default settings are suiting well for most of the customers, but of course you can change the test current, or if you have a single phase or three phase system. You can also change the test frequency and have a look at the wiring diagram. In the measurement screen, you can simply start the measurement by the pushing of the start button, and then automatically all the open loop voltages of the cable systems are measured to see if there are high couplings. If they are all below the permissive limits, the test currents automatically injected and a power wire measurement is performed. Afterwards, you see all the raw measurements directly on the screen. You can display it also as in polar coordinates or in Cartesian coordinates. And then you can go to the calculations function where you see the raw measurement values. And you can switch between different line models. For example, here you have an unsymmetric physical line model. You can also have a look at the model itself, how it's calculated, and on the results of the calculation directly on the device. Most of you would like to use the symmetric components. Here you see the positive sequence impedance and the zero sequence impedance. Again, you can have a look at the according line model. With the export function, you can export all the values, the calculated values, as CSV file, which makes it very easy to open it and use it in other software products like Relay SimTest or other power grid simulation tools, or for the relay parameterization. The next application module would be the shield current module, which can be used to detect unequal current distribution amongst cable screens. You can have here multiple parallel systems. You can also specify auxiliary ground connections, specify which clamp you are using, and then again, COMPANO will inject different fault loops and measure then the according screen currents, and from these screen currents, then the screen current distribution for asymmetric use cases calculated. For example, if you would have one system, you have it either in percent, or if you specify the operational current, you can see it then directly in amps on the different cable screens. You can have up to 9 systems in parallel and also auxiliary ground connections. Then again, we have here an export function which makes it easy to use the data in other software. Of course, you can also use the regular export for the Excel file loader for COMPANO 100. So you have here both options. And the next change is that in the ground impedance module, we support now also the new cable injection box to output the test current via an underground line and to inject it via a remote station for the grounding system test. So thanks for your attention, and I hope you like the new modules and the new applications for COMPANO 100.